In this week's Fresco Tip Friday, I'm going to show you how to create a cool animated background like this one using a new feature that is coming to Fresco very soon. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is pick a background color and just fill this in. And then I'm going to make a new layer, switch to a little bit of a darker blue, maybe this one. And now I'm just going to make a quick little wiggly little shape. And then maybe we'll pick a lighter color and make like just a random little dot. Now all we have to do is click on this little motion thing on the bottom right and then choose path. And this is where the new feature comes in. In the current version of Fresco, you need to draw a path to use these path options. But in this new feature called motion in place, you can add these effects without having a path. So I'm going to turn on this grow shrink option, turn this up a little bit, and now I'm going to add multiples, scatter them like this. And then I think I'll add some frames to slow this down so it's more of like a slow wiggly vibe. I don't want this to be crazy because I'm going to use it for a background. And now let's add a little bit of sway. Then maybe we can try adding the ease in, ease out thing to sort of make it a little bit more natural movement. And then we can just go ahead and tap in the empty spots to fill in the whole composition. Look how quick and easy that was. If you thought this was helpful and you like getting some top secret information every now and then, why don't you go ahead and subscribe and maybe give me a like while you're down there. And if you really like it, maybe you could become a channel member like all these other people. All right, good talk.